Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something new, the idea of Stelara as a tablet, yes, a fictional version of the real medication. In real life, Stelara is an injection for certain immune-related conditions. But let's imagine what it would look like as a daily tablet. Like many immune-modulating treatments, the goal would be simple: help calm overactive immune responses so symptoms don't take over your day. Of course, any medication that affects the immune system can come with side effects, things like headaches, fatigue, or stomach discomfort. Always talk to your doctor before starting anything. If Stelara were ever available as a tablet, it could offer a more flexible option for certain patients. But for now, the actual medication is only available as an injection. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more clear, simple health breakdowns.